Thank you, everybody, my dear student. Stay at your home and maintain the social distance and obey the rules of health for coronavirus. Let's go to see a video class. Welcome, dear student. These are introducing. I am Kamruzzaman, assistant English teacher, Gopalpur School and College, Monirampur, Jashore. Class introducing class 8 English second paper about noun, time 20 minutes. Objectives: by the end of the lesson, SS will have acquainted with noun, classified noun, differentiate various classes of noun, given example of different types of noun. What's your name? Dear student, what can you see in the picture? Okay, Shumon is driving a toy car. What can you see in the picture? Okay, the bear is singing. Shumon is driving a toy car. Here, Shumon is a name. The bear is singing. Here, bear is a name. So, we can say name equal to noun. So, noun and name are same. But what? But their spelling are differentiate. What can you see in the picture? Okay, Kamal is going to school. Here, Kamal is a name of a boy. So, Kamal is a noun. What can you see in the picture? Okay, there is a girl who is dancing. So, girl is a noun. What can you see in the picture? The class protest early marriage. So, this is a class. Here, class is a name. So, class is a noun. Okay, what can you see in the picture? We cannot drink salty water. Here, water is a name. So, water is a noun. What can you see in the picture? She is a Mother Teresa. Her kindness is known to us. So, kindness is a name. Kindness is a noun. We see Kamal is the name of a particular boy. So, Kamal is a proper noun. Girl is a common name. So, girl is a common noun. Here class Class is the name of a collection or a group of students. So class is a collective noun. Here order. Order is the name of material or thing. So order is a material noun. Kindness. Kindness is the name of a quality or an abstract idea. So kindness is an abstract noun. Dear student, follow the board. We can see there are 5 pictures. At first, Kamal. Kamal is a particular name, so we can say Kamal is a proper noun. Picture number 2, girl. Girl is a common name, so we can say common noun. Picture number 3, class. Class is collection of student or group of student, so we can say collective noun. Water. Water one kinds of material, so liquid material. So this is the material noun. We can see picture number 5. Kindness. Kindness it is the abstract idea. So we can say this is the kindness is abstract noun. Clear, dear student? Now classify this noun from this word. You can say what kinds of noun? Cow, team, me, cleverness, and Bangladesh. You can say everybody thinks a minute for the answer and identify the noun from this chart. Okay, cow. Cow, what kinds of noun? This is the common name, so it is common noun. Clear? Next, team. Team means collection or a group of persons. So we can say this is the collective noun. Milk. Milk, it is a material thing, liquid material. So we can say this is the material noun. Cleverness, it is the abstract idea. So we can say this is abstract noun. Now we are going the last word, Bangladesh. What kinds of noun it is? It is the particular name of a place or country. So we can say proper noun. Proper noun means particular name of anything. Clear, dear student? Okay, thank you. We can see on the board at a glance. This is the Kamal, name of a particular boy. So Kamal is proper noun. Girl. Girl is a common name, so it is common noun. Class. Class is collective noun. Order. Order is material thing, so material noun. And kindness, it means abstract idea, so we can say abstract noun. Dear student, you have got at now 5 nouns. This is proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. Clear, dear student? We have got 5 kinds of noun from this board or chart. Okay, you can follow. I have divided 3 nouns in a table that means countable noun, and two nouns we means the uncountable noun. I give you the concept of this countable and uncountable noun. Which things are countable? That means the countable noun. Such as we can count 1, 2, 3, 4. This is countable. But these two things are not countable because it is the liquid thing. So we cannot countable 1, 2, 3, 4. For this reason, these two nouns name uncountable noun. Have you got the point, dear student? What is different between countable noun and uncountable noun? Okay, thank you. Now, dear student, you have to use tick marks. This is the noun. What kinds of noun? It is countable or uncountable. If answer will be countable, you will give the tick marks on this answer, and the answer will be uncountable, you will use the ticks, this uncountable noun. Okay? You have thought about the chart in 2 minutes, and I will help you. Okay, dear student, you follow on the board. This is oil. Oil, what kinds of noun? It is countable noun or uncountable noun? Oil is not countable because it is liquid thing. So we have to tick marks on this oil, uncountable noun. Clear? My dear student, open your notebook and write down the answer from this board. Okay, student, this is student countable. We can count student, 1 student, 2 student, 3 student. So the answer will be the countable noun. So you tick marks on this countable noun. Clear, dear student? Okay, going to word noun 3, Mina. This is countable noun. Mina is a countable noun. Poverty. Poverty is uncountable noun. Farmer. Farmer is countable noun. Rice. Rice is uncountable noun. But Kamrul is countable noun. Everybody have to write down all the answer on your khata. Okay? Now we are going to next slide. We have seen 5 pictures on the board. At first, Kamal. What kinds of noun? Kamal. Okay, Kamal is a proper noun because it is particular name of a boy. Where we can know any particular name, anything, place, person, anything. That time the answer will be the proper noun. Clear, dear student? Okay. Girl. What kinds of noun? Girls is common noun. It is the common name, not particular name. Okay, class. Class means group of students. That means class. So it is the collective noun because collection of students. So we can say collective noun. Water. Water is a liquid things or materials. So we can say water is material noun. Kindness. Kindness means abstract idea. So kindness is a abstract noun. So from this chart, 4 nouns in total we can say concrete noun, and we can divide a noun from this this is the abstract noun. Totally we can say there are two kinds of noun, that means concrete noun and abstract noun. How many kinds of concrete noun? Concrete noun are in number 4, that is proper noun, common noun, collective noun and material nouns. In average 4 noun, we can say this is the concrete noun. But kindness abstract noun, it is only one. There is no kinds of abstract noun. So we can divide it all kinds of noun in two forms. This is the concrete noun and other is abstract noun. Have you got the point? Oh. Dear student, classify this noun. You have to classify this noun. Honesty. Honesty, what kinds of noun? This is abstract noun. Sugar. What kinds of noun? Sugar. This is the material noun. Air. Air is material noun. Brotherhood. It is abstract noun. Bird. Bird is common noun. Rose. Rose is common noun. Sharpness is abstract noun. Rose is proper noun.